How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am good also. Long time no. See, where did you go?
Yes, I went to Dubai for a work. That's why I was not able to meet you. And please tell me about you. How is everything going on?
Everything is good. Do you remember what I said you before some months?
I don't remember right now what you said.
Did you forget? I said that I want to learn Urdu from you.
I beg your pardon that I forgot it. But now we will start earlier by all means, okay?
I am grateful to you, but from when?
If you want, from tomorrow in my house.
Yes, okay, thanks. See you tomorrow.
Which book do you have to learn Urdu?
Bari Shariat.
No, this is very big book. First of all, you need to learn Urdu from basic Urdu book. I have a book which name is Tamir-e-Qawaid, first part. Please take it.
Thank you.
Now let's start Tamir-e-Qawaid. Open it and see lesson no.
Alif, ba, ba, ta, ta, etc.
Please learn this lesson and tell me tomorrow, okay?
Okay, thanks a lot.